Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be diving into a powerful trading tool which will enhance your trading decision in understanding how the market works and how the market plays out. And this will guide you on whether to buy the market or to sell any currency pair or crypto or stock, depending on what you are trading. And this is a very nice opportunity because it gives you a clear signal and you'll be able to know when to take action and when not to take action. So today we'll be looking at this sophisticated indicator, which is a combination of super trend. As you can see on my charts, these are three different super trends, okay, combined with exponential moving average. So the main thing is that this helps us to filter out a lot of false signals in the market, though there will be some times when there will be some little losses, but it will give us a very big opportunity to be able to capitalize on the market and be able to know when to exit the market, because most of the time people lose money from the market because they don't know when exactly they need to exit the market, and they keep hoping that maybe the market is going to reverse and go in their direction until they lose their capital. So briefly, I will explain to you what this composition of this indicator is all about. These are three different exponential moving averages of different settings. So the main thing here is that these indicators will be able to detect the direction of the market, but our main directional bias will be the exponential moving average. So this is a 300-day exponential moving average. So we always focus on the direction in which the price is. When the price is trading below the 300 exponential moving average, as you can see in this region, this we consider to be in a downtrend. So it makes it easier for us to know when to trade on a sell side and when to be on a buy side. So this is much clearer, and a lot of newbie traders have been able to get a lot of trading success using this strategy already, because we first published this on our social media platform. So a lot of people key in and be able to capture how to use this strategy. So just pay attention and you understand what to do. So the main thing we need to focus on now is let me give you the settings so that when you download this indicator, you'll be able to understand. You will see here you have the MA length, which is 300. Okay, you have the fast super trend, which is set at value of 10. You can change this to your preference, but we are using this because it has been optimized and is working very well for us. So you see here you have 10, which is using a fast factor of 1, and you have 14 with fast factor of 2, and you have a 21 with a factor of 3. So this is all about the settings of this indicator. So this indicator, just bear in mind, you will find the link to the indicator on the description box below. So just go down to the description box, you will see the link, click on it, and you'll be able to add this indicator to your chart. It's pretty straightforward. So for those who doesn't know what a super trend is an indicator that is a trend following tool which helps to calculate dynamic support and resistance. As from what you can see on the chart, these are dynamic supports and resistance. You see the way it's moving. At every point is maintaining a resistance. When it's green, at every point is maintaining a support. So that is the job of the super trend, to maintain, give you accurate support and resistance at every particular point in time. You'll see the short one will give you the closer support or resistance to the candlesticks on the chart. The longer one will give a little bit distance from the candlesticks on the chart. So this will help you to understand what the function of this is all about. So when you have the super trend giving you the red signals like this, what you have here on the chart, these are telling you that currently the market is moving in a downward trend from here. So when it's giving you this green, it's telling you that currently the market is moving in an upward trend. So this will make it easier for anybody, whether you are a pro trader or newbie, to understand what to do at every particular point in time. So how do we trade with this strategy? So the first thing is to understand that at this very particular point, for instance, at this region, you can see that the super trend has given us this sell signal here. This is because the candle here being closing below this 300-day exponential moving average, which is this blue line. So the moment it closes below, and all the super trend here are telling you that the price is going down, which is an opportunity for you to sell the market. So you see here we are currently now in a bearish trend. So that is how, and here you get a sell signal, though this did not really move properly, but this is a signal which is valid because we are currently below the moving average, and we are getting this sell signal because all the three super trends are moving in the proper direction. You see here price has broken above the exponential moving average, and you have the three super trend all moving in the same direction, but we don't have a valid signal yet. So but when you get to this point, you get a buy signal, okay, having the same confirmation that all the three has aligned in the same direction. So this is an opportunity for you to enter the market. You see here you have this buy signal. So at the close of this candle, this is where your entry, this is your entry point, okay. This is the point at which you enter the market, and your stop loss will be at the edge of this super trend, the last one. So here will be your stop loss. So you place your stop loss here, and in this strategy we are moving with the last super trend. So all we do is we trail our stop, moving with the momentum of the market. So you see here again, you come to this point, you have one of the super trend broken. The next point at which we exit the trade to validate is when we have two of the super trend broken. If the price break here and break this second one, remaining the last super trend, which is our trailing stop, this is the point at which we exit the market. But if we don't have that, we don't exit the market, we keep on holding on the trade. So here we have only one of the super trend broken, and again we get another signal here. So the moment this candle close, this is the point at which we enter another trade, okay, here. So we keep moving. At this point, another one of the lowest super trend has been broken at this point. So we are monitoring to see if it's going to break the second one, but it did not break. But again, we get another buy signal at the close of this candle. This is another point at which we enter the market. Bear in mind that the first trade we open is still running with us. The second trade is still running. Now we are in the third trade, and we continue to move our stop loss. So at this very particular point, when this signal was generated, our trailing stop will be at this point for both trade number 1 and trade number 2. So, and the stop loss for the trade number 3 will be here. So this is how we manage the trade. And you see, we keep moving, and here again we get one of the super trend broken, but the second one was still intact, and again we get another signal at this point. So when we get the signal at this point, so what do? We open our trade at the opening of this candle, this particular candle. Once it's open, this is the point at which we enter the trade. So, and we move all the stop loss will come to this point. So trade number 1, trade number 2, trade number 3, now number 4, all the stop loss will be at this point. So we continue with the trade, we keep holding on the trade, and we get to this point. We have here, we can see that one of the super trend has been broken. Then we are waiting for the second one. You can see the second one is still resisting the price, and here we get a signal telling us that market is still going to push up. So this is a place again that we opened our trade number 5. So the moment we open this trade, this is where we are going to place our stop loss for all the trade. So bearing in mind that we have this trade running here, this one, and this, so all the stop loss will move to this very particular point. So we are waiting for the trade, and here again we get another signal. Okay, we move our stop loss to this point, okay, for all the trade, and we open this trade. And here again we get another signal. We open this trade, we move all our stop loss. They are still maintaining the same level. All the stop loss are still maintaining the same level, and we have now trade here. So here we have number 1, here number 2, here trade number 3, here trade number 4, here trade number 5, here trade number 6, and here trade number 7. So you see, at this point, this is the point when we get 2 of the super trend broken. At this very particular point, this is where we close our trade. This is the closing point of all the trade. So all the trade that we open, this is the point at which we are going to close them. So you can see for these last 2 trades, we did not make any profit. We lose a little bit on these 2 trades, but from here, from this trade, we were able to make profit from the market. And here we have made a very massive profit from the market. This was a very nice opportunity for those who started using this strategy from the point that we release it. Okay, and you see again we get to, after this, at this point here we get a new signal here. So we open this trade. Remember, our stop loss is always at the last super trend. So here is where we have our stop loss, and here we have one broken, and here again you have here another signal, which is number 2 now. So here you have signal number 1 at this point. Here you have number 2. Okay, here you have number 3. Okay, continue to move, and when we enter this trade at the opening of this candle, our stop loss is here. Now the market is moving. We are moving with this super trend. So you see, at this very particular point, this is where we have 2 broken. So here we have 2 broken. This is where again we close the trade that will open from this point. I believe this is very clear now. Okay, here we get another new signal. We open this trade, and here we have 2 close. So on this trade we made a little loss, and you see here we have here an opportunity which is for a buy because it meets our condition, and now the market has closed, so we'll be hoping that this is going to trend upward, and once it moves, and this is the same way, we'll continue to move with the trend. So this is how we trade this, and I believe that this is very clear. So with this, you'll be able to understand how to use this strategy. It's very simple and straightforward. Now let's answer some questions. If any of the viewer has any question, you can drop your question on the chat box below. Go down and let us know your feedback. In case if you have any other topic you want us to discuss, also let us know, and we'll be able to do that. And I believe you like this video. Gives us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Share this with other people so that they will be able to learn and be able to understand how the market works. I wish you happy trading.